Hello guys, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. This is day 17 of the 100 Days Interview Question Challenge. Let's go. Today's question is, what are directives in Angular? In Angular, directives are special instructions that allow you to change the behavior, appearance, or structure of DOM elements dynamically. Here are a few key points you should know. 1. Directives do not have a template of their own. 2. They can change DOM structure, style, or behavior dynamically. 3. Directives are used in the HTML template as attributes, elements, or comments. Now, let's see the types of directives in Angular. Angular provides three main types of directives. First, component directives. These are the most common types of directive in Angular. They combine HTML markup with application logic to create reusable UI components. Every component in Angular is technically a directive with a template. Examples: app root component, app header component. Second, structural directives. Structural directives change the structure of the DOM by adding or removing elements. They usually have a star before the directive. Common structural directives: *ng if adds or removes an element based on a condition. *ng for loops over a collection and renders elements. *ng switch conditionally renders elements based on a value. Example of *ng if: this line uses *ng if, which displays the element only when the condition is true. Example of *ng for: the *ng for directive loops through a list and displays each item. Third, attribute directives. Attribute directives change the appearance or behavior of an element. They do not add or remove elements. Common attribute directives: ng style changes inline CSS styles. ng class adds or removes CSS classes dynamically. ng model enables two-way data binding. Example of ng style: here, the text color will be red if his error is true, and green if it's false. It helps us control styles directly from our component logic. Example of ng class: if his error is true, the error class will be applied. If it's false, the success class will be applied. This makes it super easy to switch CSS styles using conditions. So, here's a simple way to remember the types of directives in Angular. First, component directives, directives with templates. Second, structural directives, modify DOM structure. Third, attribute directives, modify element appearance or behavior. Follow for day 18, where we'll cover another important interview question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Stack Over Chai. And also, comment below which question you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.